independent lawn mowing and gardening business, Brisbane, Queensland. Run by the same owner since 1994, this trusted lawn mowing and gardening business is a solid investment. You'd be buying yourself a good job with a consistent income, plus the opportunity to expand and grow. This is not a franchise, so you can choose your hours, customers, and territory to suit yourself. The business comes with excellent assets, including a trailer specially designed for mowers. The business covers a large area out to Brisbane's western suburbs, plus 3 Southside body corps. Most of the work comes from word of mouth, over 4 generations of some families. There's an extensive list of top brand equipment, including Honda, Stihl, and Bushranger. The loyal client base includes 37 private customers, plus 3 body corporates. If you love being outdoors and want to work for yourself, this opportunity is perfect. You could easily expand by promoting the business online through letterbox drops and local advertising.